Hey guys, how are you? As you can see in chat messenger of Facebook, I have received lot of requests from group members which are asking me about Maxbounty promotion, landing pages, ways of traffic, and based on your requests, I have decided to first build and set up a landing page for giveaway offers. I am using same kind of landing pages for giveaways, sweepstakes, single opt-ins. I want to show you here. You can see on my website I am using same strategy that I want to show you for my offers. Here you can easily say I am using. I will show you shortly. Here you can see lot of pages and I am using since 2019 successfully. Here I want to teach you very simple way to set up landing page for giveaways, sweepstakes, gift cards and similar offers. I have already opened a tab. Here you can see. Now you see, please keep in mind there are number of ways I am also using, but this one is best one which I have chosen for you. People, successful marketers also using surveys, quizzes and other kinds of landing pages to promote these kinds of gift card like offers, but for my experience this one is the best and easiest way to promote these simple email opt-ins, Walmart, different kinds of offers. Now start. I want to first you need to write headline. Here I am using live editor. You can use your own editor or simple HTML page, whatever you have, but this is the way. No need to buy an expensive software, but this is the easy one. Now let's start. Oh, it's taking some time. Now on the title headline I want to write $100 McDonald's giveaway. In second step I want to insert image of McDonald's gift card, and this is very easy to search on the Google. Now go to Google. Oh shit. Here you can search $100 McDonald's gift card giveaway. Just click images and save the image. I want to use this one. Simply click here. Here you can save image on your computer. I have already downloaded this image. You can see here in my local disk key CPA. And second step, I want to insert this image here. Select file. Here is McDonald image. Insert. This is the second step. Now this is the simple trick. In third step, we are only using 4 steps. In third steps, I need to write some text for verification. Just write please verify your age to unlock offer. In fourth step, just write are you over 18. And in next step I want to insert a button. Yes. Now our landing page is ready. Here is, I am unable to see, just want to change some text and colors and styling. I want to make it according to offer. Here you can see, oh no. Here you can see now, yes. And sorry, I forget one step. Here, as you can see, I have already used number of. Now you can see I have inserted there Maxbounty code. You can insert your own. Now click save and continue. Okay, here you can see final. Now this is the landing page. I always use these kinds of landing pages. As you can see, I have already designed $50 Walmart landing page, $100 general gift card. I have used these landing pages for promotions successfully. Here you can see I have created number of landing pages, lot of landing pages for giveaways, offers, and this is the best one. Thanks. Just wait for next videos and you will be able to see these kinds of simple videos for your promotion. Very simple videos. Thanks and bye bye.